You saw it also on TV? Okay. I want to tell you something. You see, when you see a volcano, what shape do you see here? What shape? Is it like a triangle?
Yes.
Yes, it's like a triangle. Okay. Why? How volcanoes form? I will tell you and then we will think, okay? When you look all the way down on the ground, it's getting hot, and then magma's forming, and then that magma goes up, and then there's an explosion. Yes. Okay. Now I will show you one experiment. Yes. Here's our volcano. Okay. And then I will tell you later what this is inside and here. I will tell you later. But watch the. Now magma is coming, and then lava is forming, and then soon there will be a little what?
Lava.
And now I'm gonna sing you a little song. I'm a little volcano burning hot. There is my crater, better watch out. When my pressure builds up, I erupt. And the lava just, what? Spills right out. Yes. This is our little volcano. But I'm gonna tell you, first, inside, I put some baking powder, and here I have white vinegar and detergent, and that's what made an explosion. Who can tell me what I poured here? It was baking powder.
Everybody behind. Everybody go behind. Behind.
And here I pour vinegar and detergent. Yes. I want to tell you something about volcanoes. There are 3 types of volcano. We have an active volcano. Everybody see this picture?
Yes.
An active volcano is what? A volcano which erupts. And what he makes? He makes a lava or explosion. It goes all around. Okay? And here we have, which one is this? It's one that's what? Sleeping. What it means? It's not active. He just sleeps. Yes, he's done. He erupts, and then he died.
Is the lava in a sea
actor? Show me the actor one. Where's the actor? That goes. Good job. Where's the kind of sleepy and sleepy? Where's the one that's dead? No more action. Where is it? Good job. Okay. Perfect. Now everybody